Hi, my name is Melanie Joy, and I am a nest practitioner, and I live in Davison, Michigan. Before I started using bioenergetics solutions, my health back in 2020 was not doing well at all. I had an instant that I didn't know was going to turn my life around, and in that instance when something happened, I ended up with chronic diarrhea, and I fought this for over a year. Things were getting really bad. I had lost a ton of weight. My organs were starting to fail. The doctors couldn't find what was going on, but I finally found bioenergetics, and we found out that my chronic diarrhea was actually coming from uncertainty. There wasn't anything else happening inside of my body. There was nothing physical going on. It was an energetic blockage come from uncertainty. When we cleared that uncertainty in that same session, the next day I ended up not going to the bathroom at all, which was a really good thing for me. And the following day I had my first solid stool movement in a year. It's kind of embarrassing to talk about, but it's the truth. I was down to eating hardly no foods. I literally had 3 foods in my diet. And after that treatment, I went home the next day and I started eating normal foods, and everything my weight gradually came back and everything just kind of started flowing together again. It was truly a miracle, truly. And the other solutions that the doctors wanted to give me, they tested for parasites. Many times there were no parasites, so it wasn't that. They did other blood work and they did other stool samples, and antibiotic after antibiotic, which I stopped taking because for me, antibiotic means antibody, and if you keep taking them, then you're going to have a deterioration of the good things that are happening inside of your body too. So I didn't necessarily agree with those kind of treatments. Once I started using bioenergetic solutions, my problems and my body aches and a lot of mental blocks that I had as far as creativity really changed. It was it was really unbelievable. I really recommend that you look to bioenergetic solutions if you have unexplained aches and pains, if you've been to the doctors, they have no solutions, if issues keep reoccurring and keep happening in the same body area, if you have pets that you don't know what it is that's affecting them and you don't know why they're behaving in certain ways, or something has changed inside of them, bioenergetics can show you stuff that there's nothing out there that can show you like this can.